CE comes in 3 different colorways. First, we have Blue Void. It's a matte finish, but has some very beautiful accenting on its edges. It's very mesmerizing to look at. Also, Blue Void is especially designed to be fingerprint resistant. If something a little more classic is your thing, we have Charcoal Ink. It's a darker take on the original Nord's gray onyx, keeping that same glossy finish you know and love. Finally, we have my favorite colorway, Silver Ray. The reflective properties of Silver Ray harness the surrounding light to create a beautiful array of vibrant accent colors. OnePlus Nord CE doesn't just look beautiful. Its powerful cameras know how to capture beauty as well. Take a look at some of our sample shots. First, a photo from one of our favorite photographers, JP Bonino. We're so happy that he was able to capture such vibrant colors, and more importantly, a happy person holding a Rubik's Cube, all processed using our smart content algorithms on Nord CE's main camera. Next, let's zoom out on one of Marilee Andre's shots and see what it's like to chill on a rooftop in Greece with Nord CE's ultra-wide camera. What a view! Let's check out a gorgeous portrait shot for Paris Helena out in Los Angeles, California. Look at those colors pop. Have a look at this beautiful shot of this stylish person walking down some stairs in Stockholm, Sweden, shot by Pontus Hammerstrom. Pontus himself is also really stylish. He's got a stylish phone, stylish glasses, and even a stylish pineapple, as pictured here in one of Nord CE's selfie camera shots. But that's just a snapshot of what OnePlus Nord CE's camera system is capable of. We are so excited to see your Nord CE photos too.